Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. So thought I'd get some sunshine on this ram on the super split that comes out and splits your wood, and the thing that I devised to prevent splinters from getting underneath. Let me get a pointer tool, hang tight. We'll use the same zip tie we had before. If you'll notice the hierarchy of how things are stacked up, you've got your roller system here, then you have some shims right here underneath your brass block, and then you have your sled, and these 3 bolts here pass through everything into your roller system. And what I've got here is a piece of sawzall blade that just simply operates by gravity. I've got 2 cap screws here drilled into the block. This is a 32 threads per inch, number 8 Allen head that are about 1 inch long. I did 1 inch because I wanted flexibility for a mounting hole for future growth on, and if I come up with a newer idea. Trying to hold the camera steady, but this is a sawzall blade that I've modified to sit right on the face of everything and scrape the I-beam and keep splinters from getting underneath. And the mounting hole is oval. If I can get underneath there with the zip tie. Yep. It's just an oval mounting hole. By gravity, it's always floating along the I-beam, and you can see how much movement it has there. And it'll just follow the profile of the I-beam and scrape it clean all the time. Look at part 1, part 2, and part 3. This is part 3. Look at part 1 and part 2 to see what I was trying to achieve. But this thing is just moving up and down all the time, depending on what the terrain is, but it's constantly scraping, and there's no spring pressure or nothing. The only improvement I could make is possibly change this material out and install something that is brass, that is thicker and heavier. But I'm not really seeing a need to do that right now. Let's see if I can get a different vantage point over here. Of course, my shadow's going to block us off. I'm not left-handed. I could probably work that with my finger. I just lift it up and down. And it's shaped in the center. The blade is shaped to contour this steel block here. And as you can see, it's just 100% gravity. And there's quite a bit of if I can zoom in and show that. I'm going to attempt to show the gap that's between super splits supplied brass block and the I-beam. Yeah, so that's where our splinters are getting in at, is in between the I-beam and that little gap in there. Well, this is closing all that off and preventing splinters. It's a simple mod anybody can do. So, you guys enjoy. See ya. Bye.